Hello, in this short video we will see about cardiac emergency drugs. So first drug which I have is calcium gluconate. So basically calcium gluconate does not treat hyperkalemia. It usually prevents the cardiac arrhythmias which are caused due to hyperkalemia. So staff हे calcium gluconate आपण कसं देतो?
कैल्शियम ग्लूकोनेट 10 ml इन 10 ml NS मध्ये दिया जाता है और ये कैल्शियम ग्लूकोनेट है वो सोडा बाइकार्ब के साथ कभी भी एक ही लाइन से दिया नहीं जाता है.
So basically rule of 10 is important. 10% in 10 ml NS over 10 minutes. Okay, and it basically stabilizes the cardiac membrane. So next drug which we have is magnesium sulfate. So magnesium sulfate has two main indications, important indication. One is eclampsia and second is any torsades. So it is a drug of choice in torsades de pointes. Okay, now next drug which we have is amiodarone. So amiodarone is basically a drug of choice for VTAC or VFib if the patient's BP is normal. If the patient is in shock, then you go for DC cardioversion. And there are many side effects associated with this drug. For example, it has iodine, so it can cause hypo or hyperthyroidism. It can also cause corneal depositions. Okay, and it can also cause pulmonary fibrosis. So sometimes it can be given bolus. Initial dose, loading dose can be given 300 mg bolus. Then you can give infusion. Next we have a sodium bicarbonate. So sodium bicarbonate is an important drug, but how to give it is very important. तो स्टाफ इसके देने में क्या प्रिकॉशन हम लेते हैं?
ये कभी भी बोलस फास्ट नहीं दिया जाता, ये कभी भी स्लो ही दिया जाता है.
If you give it fast, then it can cause complications, and the side effects include hypernatremia since it has sodium, and it can also cause volume expansion, and it can cause pulmonary edema also. And its indication is severe metabolic acidosis. If the pH is less than 7 or 7.1, only then you should use it, and it should be given slowly. And sometimes even in hyperkalemia, this drug can be used as an adjunct to push the potassium from intravenous to intracellular. Last drug which I have purposely kept is KCl, which is potassium chloride. तो स्टाफ इसके देने में क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
ये कभी भी स्लो ही दिया जाता है. फास्ट जाने से पेशेंट का जान भी जा सकता है.
Yes, so this is very important point. KCl can either save patient or it can also kill the patient. It depends on how you are giving this, and the rate depends on which line is there. If the patient has peripheral line, then the maximum rate is 10 milliequivalents per hour. If the patient has central line, then the rate is around 20 milliequivalents per hour. But always the heart rate should be monitored, the ECG should be monitored, and potassium level should be monitored 6 hourly. Never give it bolus or never push this drug in IV. It can kill the patient. Thank you.